Hi, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we're making brown sugar maple bacon ice cream. It has just come out of the ice cream maker, so it's super soft. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for a couple of hours, and that will obviously change the consistency. This recipe is really simple, and it doesn't get any easier because we are using our Cuisinart ice cream maker. Literally, it's dump the ingredients in, push a button, and walk away. The only time you have to pay attention is to the timer, because at a certain point, you're going to add those bacon bits into the mixture right before the ice cream's pretty much done. Going to take my handy dandy pastry brush, and I'm going to brush some maple syrup over each strip. This is just gonna add a wonderful layer of sweetness, and then this maple syrup is also going to help crystallize the brown sugar that we're going to put over these delectable strips of bacon. I'm gonna do one side first, and then I will flip them over halfway when they're baking, and then we'll brush the flip side about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes in or so. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and then we'll be right back. First things first, we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar into our small mixing bowl and a cup of milk, and we're gonna whisk it until the sugar dissolves. There's our cup of milk and our 3/4 cup of sugar. You can use a mixer, a hand mixer, but I am feeling lazy, and I am just going to whisk this with my piggy whisk. And then we will add the heavy cream and our vanilla, and then we'll put it all inside the ice cream maker in just a moment. It's been 10 minutes. I am going to flip my bacon over, and we're going to repeat the process of brushing on the maple syrup and then sprinkling the brown sugar right on top. And then we will let them bake to the desired crispiness level. Okay, get these going. Our sugar has melted with our milk. Let's add our 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm just gonna give it a good shake. And then we're gonna add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. And we're just gonna keep mixing this. Then we're gonna add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, mix it all together, and then we're gonna add it to our ice cream maker. Very carefully pour your mixture into your ice cream maker. It's going! It's churning away. We're gonna let that churn for 25 to 30 minutes. And then we'll add our crumbled maple brown sugar bacon. Well, what are we gonna do for 25 or 30 minutes? Gotta wait for this ice cream maker to do its thing. I know, let's find the cat.
We found the cat. She's not wanting to cooperate. Hi, everybody. We're making maple bacon ice cream today. I can't eat any because I'm a kitty. But that bacon sure smells good. Yay! Yay!
I don't think Callie's too excited about this.
Oh, Callie.
What do you think, Callie? Obviously, she's not impressed.
Callie, what do you think about bacon ice cream? You think that sounds delicious?
Ooh-wee, there's some nice crispy bacon. I'm going to put it on a paper towel, let it drain, and then we'll crumble it. Let's give our bacon a rough chop. Oh, that's still pretty hot. These are the bacon bits we are going to add to the ice cream maker in just about 15 minutes. It will be ready. You know what? Let's take a peek at the ice cream maker, how it's doing. It's mixing away, folks. We'll check on it again in about 10 minutes and you'll really start to see it thicken up. I mean, seriously, look at that. That has real maple syrup on it. And then we sprinkled the brown sugar, and this is what's going into our homemade vanilla ice cream in about 10 minutes. I just snuck a piece of that bacon, the candied bacon. It is so good. Waiting on this ice cream is so boring. Maybe I'll take a nap. Getting thicker. Not too much longer. We can add those delicious bacon bits. Now let's add our bacon bits. They're a little stuck together because of the brown sugar. And you're going to want to add them in slowly as the ice cream maker churns, so all your bacon bits don't get, you know, lopsided in one side of the ice cream. Just take your time with this process. And that way you'll have your bacon bits more evenly distributed. All right, we're going to let this churn for about 5 more minutes after we add our bacon. Yes, nice and creamy. Let's check it out. Let's turn the ice cream maker off and give it a taste test. Take our lid off. Oh my goodness. Now. Ooh-wee. Oh boy. Okay, this is gonna be a little messy. And what you can do is also put this in the freezer to you know, have harder ice cream. This is pretty soft, like out of the machine. Soft serve ice cream. Here we go. Let's taste it in its creamy format. Oh, wow, so sweet. The vanilla is very subtle, and I got some bacon in this spoonful now. Oh, oh yes, So super creamy. I'm definitely going to put this in the freezer. We'll do another taste test in a couple of hours, but that is delicious. It's sweet, it's savory. You have the hint of the maple, and you've got the bacon, which is just so delicious. It's smoky, but then the maple syrup over the bacon just gives it extra sweetness along with that brown sugar. Oh my goodness, guys. All right, we're gonna put this in the freezer and we're gonna do taste test number 2. Be back. Okay. Definitely better consistency after it's been frozen for a couple hours. Okay, you guys, you know what to do. Be sure to like, mash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye.